Morning's weather for us. And Sarah, it's not looking too cold today.
It's not, Sally, absolutely. We've got a mild start to the day once again today. A lot of cloud around. Some of us will see the sunshine as we head through the day. And there's some rain on the cards across the northwest of the country. But most of us, cloudy, dry, and yet again, it is mild. Some mist and some fog around this morning to contend with, though. Here's the satellite and the radar pictures showing where we've had the cloud and the rain moving in overnight. This is a front across the western half of the country. So we'll see spots of rain this morning across the west of Scotland, particularly for Northern Ireland too. Certainly a wet start to the day here, but for central and eastern Scotland, mostly dry first thing, some mist and some fog patches too into the northeast of England. Cloudier skies across northwest England down towards Wales and the southwest of England, where we could see the odd spot of drizzle, but most places dry and pretty quiet as we head across central and eastern parts of England. The main thing to watch out for is some mist and some fog around first thing, but it's certainly frost-free. Temperatures for many of us in double figures, in fact, from the word go. Now, as we head through the day, we'll see this front edging slowly eastwards into central parts of Scotland. Things will clear up behind that across Northern Ireland. So some late sunshine reappearing for Belfast, for instance. Much of the UK stays fairly cloudy. Bit of brightness for the northeast of England, for instance, and temperatures around about 11 or 12 degrees at best. Then through this evening and overnight, it's a north-south split. Southern parts of the country see that weakening front heading south, so cloudy here, few spots of drizzle and again some mist and some fog. But further north across the country, you see the blue colours indicating that it is going to be a cold night, particularly for Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland too. A frosty scene like this to start off your weekend in the north. So cold and frosty, but some sunshine across many northern areas. Further south on Saturday, we've got that cloud, some mist and some fog, which could be a little bit slow to clear. So a bit of a disappointing day, particularly towards the southeast, but further north, a reappearance of that wintry sunshine. Temperatures around about 6 in Belfast, down to around about 11 or so towards Plymouth. So still mild towards the south. So through the weekend, it's this area of high pressure really dominating our weather, keeping those weather fronts to the north. So we could just see some breezier, cloudier and damper conditions across northern parts of Scotland in particular. But elsewhere across the country, Sunday, yet again, a quiet day with a southwesterly airflow reasonably mild for the time of year, particularly across many eastern parts of Scotland. Temperatures for most places around 9 or 10, but we could see 12, 13 degrees, for instance, for the likes of eastern Scotland. Elsewhere, it is a little bit cooler, quite a bit of cloud, but there'll be a bit of sunshine breaking through into next week. Still reasonably mild for the time of year, but things certainly set to turn much more unsettled in the lead up to Christmas. Back to you both.
It's all changed. Sarah, thank you very much indeed. Now, Charlie, I'm going to ask you the question that